Okay guys, today we are going to look at the second lesson of the letter writing unit, and it's just a reminder of what to include in your state or country letters. First of all, remember to include the correct content. Your first paragraph, you need to introduce yourself and the project and the fact that it's a contest. Tell them that we're learning how to write formal business letters. It's a contest to see who can get the most letters back. Remember, they're going to be getting a letter from some random student in Arizona and wonder why you're writing to them. So you need to explain that. In the second paragraph, I would like you to talk about yourself. Don't get too detailed, but just some interesting facts about yourself, hobbies, sports, family, etc. Please remember to stay positive in everything you write. I don't want any negative comments. In the third paragraph, tell a little bit about Fountain Hills. You might want to do some research about any of the festivals or fairs that we have, or maybe talk about how tall the fountain is. Again, please be positive. I don't want you to say anything negative about Fountain Hills. In the final sentences, restate the purpose of the letter. Again, explain that we're learning to write about formal business letters, we're having a contest, and ask them to write back to you. Be sure you have the correct sending address. That would be your name, your street, Fountain Hills, comma, AZ, space, 85268. Now for some reason when I typed this, these extra spaces came in right here. There should be no spaces right here. It should be one right after the other. If you don't want to use your address or you don't know it, you can use me. So you would put your name in care of Mrs. Amy Nichols, Fountain Hills Middle School, 15414 North McDowell Mountain Road, Fountain Hills, comma, AZ, space, 85268. Again, no spaces in between here. I just couldn't figure out how to get rid of them. Make sure that the recipient's address is correct. You're going to get their teacher name, 7th grade language arts teacher, that's their occupation, or you could put English teacher, language arts teacher. You don't have to be as specific as 7th grade. The school name you're sending it to, the school address, city, comma, state, space, zip. Again, no spaces in between here. I just couldn't figure out how to do it. Finally, remember not to indent anything, including the closing. Make sure that your signature is aligned along the left-hand side. When you're finished, I have some peer edit sheets for you. Be sure to get a sheet and then find someone else who is finished and have them look at your paper. It is a quiz grade. I have for you an example of the letter here. Remember, each of these arrows represents something you're supposed to remember. You can ignore this arrow and you can ignore this arrow. Please don't write exactly what I write. Find your own way to talk about Fountain Hills as well as yourself. The only thing that you could probably copy is this sentence right here. To do this and to make it fun, our English teacher, blah, 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 right to here, because I know that can be a little confusing. Remember, it is a quiz grade. All of this will be up on the Q drive to help you if you need it. Have a great day.